guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on Sarah and I have a set of orange press-on nails for you today. I am using that colour I just showed you there by Glam & Glitz, and I can't remember what it said. And then I'm using this orange by Mia's Secret. So the Glam & Glitz one is a more paler orange and the Mia's Secret one is brighter. I also mixed together this glitter right here, which is just loads of different glitters that I all mixed together. So just to explain a little bit about this video, I have decided that I'm going to start pre-making nails for people and myself and making press-on nails. So I'm gonna design the nails, and then people can either come to have them applied properly with acrylic so they will like be stuck down, or people can actually just order the press-on nails to stick on themselves as and when they want to wear them, which I just think is ace. So that is what I decided to do here. This set that I do here is a set, so basically I didn't size up the tips or anything, I just wanted to have a go. And these were a little bit too big for me. So I haven't bothered to like do a proper video with me wearing them or anything. I tried them on one hand and they were just a little bit too big. But I have got another press-on nail video coming very, very soon. And that is a set that I made, that I did a gel polish design and also some like a 3D flower. And yeah, I'm super excited about that set. So look out for that. It will be coming, I think, next week, that one. So I hope you guys do enjoy it when it does come. But yeah, so I'm basically going in with this set and I'm doing an ombre, as you can see on the little finger, just using both those two oranges. The Glam & Glitz one looked really, really pale here. I think I needed to mix it a little bit. If I'd have given it a bit of a shake, it might have been a little bit less pale, but it's still a really nice colour. This, of course, is one of my fabulous marble nails that I'm obsessed with. So this nail is just going to be a marble nail, so I will let you watch that. This nail is going to be a glitter fade, so it's going to be a full orange nail with the darker Mia's Secret orange, and then we'll go in with a little bit of glitter later on. And this nail is another marble nail, and we're also going to add a bit of glitter to this nail later as well. So I'll just let you watch this marble one. Okay, so time to go in with the glitter. I decided to do like a glitter swirl on this little finger. And then as I said before, the middle finger is going to be like an orange and then glitter fade. So that's what I'm doing here, and I like to go a little bit thicker in the middle of the swirl and then like the edges to be a bit thinner, if that makes sense. I really liked this glitter. I just really like the look of this glitter, and I have actually used it in another set that I've done quite recently as well, so yay! So I actually completely lied to you before, and it's not the index finger that has the glitter on it, it is the ring finger that has the glitter on it, and then the index I think I just leave as a plain marble, just so there's a little bit of difference between the nails. And yes, I'm just going to apply a little bit of glitter, mainly to the dark orangey parts, just to give it a bit of like routine to where I'm putting it, if that makes sense. So I'm now just going to go in and cap this nail. For some reason, the way that I had the camera set up this day, my head kept getting in the way. I don't know why, I don't know how I had it set up, but yeah, hopefully that will never happen again. So I am very sorry that there are a few little moments where my big face, my big head get in the way, but yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch me quickly cap the nails, and then we will be on to filing. So I decided to leave a little bit of filing in this video for you guys, because the way that I did film it meant that I was in shot for a lot of the filing, which sometimes I'm not. So yeah, I decided to leave a little bit in. Regular thing, just the thing that you always do. Side walls, cuticle, free edge, contour, whatnot. Smooth the nail out, just get the shape that I wanted basically. And then I will go in and buff over with a buffing block. After giving them a good buff over, I then went in and I wiped off with some acetone. I was going to say gel residue wipe off solution. No. I wiped over with some acetone just to get rid of all the dust and smooth that top layer slightly. And then I'm going to go in and top coat. Now, I didn't show which top coat I used, but I'm pretty sure that I used the Blue Sky No Wipe top coat for this. The reason why I used one of my good top coats instead of like my rubbish one that I'm trying to get rid of is because obviously this set was going to be worn. I wanted to make sure that they were really nice and protected with a really good top coat. Also, love the fact that you don't have to wipe a sticky layer off. Like, I love no wipes. Why do we not use them all the time? So I'm going to let you guys watch me do all the top coat thing, and I just love the glitter, yes. So obviously, because this was a full set that I was doing, I did do all 10. I did do an orange nail, basically just an orange nail with a swirl on it, a swirl of glitter on it. So what I decided to do was just leave in a really quick clip of me doing the second hand. So basically what you've just seen, but a really quick fast through version of it. There we go. And then that is it for this video. If anybody's interested in purchasing any press-on nails from me, I can ship anywhere pretty much, but I just don't know how much it will cost. Please do get in touch. My Facebook page is linked in the description box down below. You can message me on there and ask me for a specific design. We can even film it live and you will get to see me making your actual nails. But yeah, please do get in touch with me if anybody is interested in some press-on nails. And yes, basically that is just it for this set. And I really hope you guys like this video. If you do enjoy these videos, please do like them and comment because it really helps me out. This is the finished result. I do really like them. They're very bright and orangey and great for summer. And yeah, I guess that's all there is to say for now for this video. All my links for everything are always linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.